Hi folks, I'm feeling pretty chill today. So we're going to do a little chill pattern. It looks like this. So I'm starting on note 2 and 4, and instead of using one hand and making it complicated, I'm just using both hands together. And 2, and then on the 2, on beat 2, I'm knocking over here. You can tap, you can do whatever you want. 1 and 2 and, right? 1 and 2 and, again, 1 and 2 and 3. On the 3 we have another chord. I'm playing note 3 and 5, which is my C major. So far I've got B flat major, C major. On your pan it might be different. Another knock on the 4. So we've got this 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Try that with me. 1, 2, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 again. 2 and 3, 4 again. 1 and 2 and 3, 4 again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Nice. The only thing is though, when this second knock is happening after this chord here, at the same time I'm actually going to reach up with my left hand and play note 6. Like this. This is what it will look like. So this chord, from here to here, here to here. So altogether, that is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Right? 1, 2, try it. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 again. 3 and 4 again. 1 and 2 and 3, 4 again. 1 and 2 and 3, 4 again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 again. 1, 2 and 3 and 4 again. 1, 2 and 3 and 4. And 4, and we're actually going to complete this by adding another melody note. So note 6 down to note 5 straight after. So we've got this 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, right? And remember, these are at the same time. Ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and. But actually, the 1 of the next bar is going to be here. Whew. So we feel like we arrive somewhere, otherwise we're stuck in this infinite loop. So all I'm doing here is my left hand is playing note 4 as it was, but instead of playing note 2 now, I'm playing the first note, so I'm rooting it in that D minor chord. Right, and when we put that all together, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Again, 1, 2, and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Try 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and loads of space at the end there though. So I'm going to put one of these little heartbeats in. It looks like this. And I'm playing that with this part of my palm here very gently, just to get that nice boomy bass sound. I don't need to hit it hard. Okay? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 a 3 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 a 3. And then we have it. And with that space in between, you can put some little moments in there, however you wish. But even just that, just getting into the cycle of that is really nice. So yeah, I invite you to spend some time with it, just get into that flow of it, and eventually get into that state where you can just feel it rather than having to count it. Yeah, something as simple as that is a really good one for getting into that more embodied musical space. So enjoy, and as usual, hope to see you next week.